Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Jira, the project management software, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a Jira account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up and create a Jira account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different projects and different teams, and Jira is a popular way to manage all of that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, atlassian.com/software/Jira. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there, but I've already pulled up their website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a Jira account, you're going to click on Get It Free here on the top right in blue. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and enter in your work email and sign up. Or if you want, you can use your Google, Microsoft, Slack, or Apple to log in. For me, I'm going to go ahead and use my email and click sign up. Okay, next, Jira is going to ask you to go ahead and create your site. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out with my channel name. Okay, you can see it's green, so that is available. So it's going to be a subdomain of atlassian.net, and I'm going to click on continue. Okay, next, Jira is going to ask you what type of company you are. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this. Now they're asking how I plan to use Jira. So I'm going to click here and then continue. Okay, next they bring you here to my create project page. So I'm going to go ahead and name a project. Okay, I'm going to click on this blue create project button. Okay, next it brings me into the project, so I can go ahead and start editing this project and adding various projects into my Jira account. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to sign up and create a Jira account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.